Shop for trip cancellation insurance. Getting trip cancellation insurance can be an asset for some people. For those who frequently travel for business, this can be a great way to ensure that any cancelled flights won't waste your money. It is used to reimburse the non-refundable fees such as airplane tickets if you suddenly have to cancel any flight due to an emergency. This can save you a lot of money. If you think getting trip cancellation insurance, then it would be best to remember a few simple tips before shopping for one. Here are a few simple yet effective tips on how to shop for trip cancellation insurance. Is trip cancellation insurance really right for you? Some people waste money on this kind of insurance simply because they are not able to use it. If you do not travel very often, or only travel for recreational purposes about twice a year, then you might not need this insurance. It can only be used for major emergencies, and is advised for those who frequently go on business trips. Do your own research. You can easily look at various trip cancellation insurance programs and offers online. Look at various company websites to get the latest details on these deals. It would be best to consult friends or relatives that have purchased trip cancellation insurance. They might be able to give some insight on which companies and programs offer the best deals. You can also approach a travel agent to advise you on your options. Pick a program that covers your usual mode of travel. There are 3 modes of travel to choose from: train, cruise, or flight. It is best to consider which one you use most often. However, it would be best to find a policy that covers all 3, so you can make full use of the insurance anywhere. Also, look if any hijacking or delays are covered. Make sure to read your contract to see the conditions, to ensure that you are getting the best deals. Avoid policies that use words that are too specific in their contract. Broad terms are best for contracts, as they tend to cover a lot more in the insurance. Always check the company's definition for terms. Make sure you don't already have trip cancellation insurance. If you use a credit card, you might already have it. Most cards give this as an automatic service to their clients. However, some of them only cover a small part of the costs. What you can do is, get a trip cancellation insurance for the areas that your credit card insurance does not cover. This will help you be fully protected against trip cancellation hassles. A trip cancellation insurance can either be an investment or a liability. Those who travel a lot will benefit more from this kind of insurance. A few simple tips would be wise to remember when you are shopping for trip cancellation insurance.